lunch here at SNR. So I ordered the Southern style fried chicken, one piece, tapos we have clam chowder and then drinks. So welcome back to another vlog, guys. So something came up this morning kaya hindi kami nakapunta sa ballet preview of Lisa Mapujas. Ano yung ballet Manila? Anyway, we weren't able to go, but that's okay. I'm gonna show the dates kung kailan siya mag-show this coming August. So lahat ng dates in the information box. So now we're here at Lucky Chinatown. I have to run a few errands and then we're having lunch lang here at SNR. Hindi ko alam na SNR pala dito. It's right across Kids Zoo na. Tapos meron din skating rink. So sa labas nakakita ko sa leader kung anong tsura ng skating rink. Very small lang pero cute. I with my sister Iza. Hi! So yun. Kain na kami! Yummy! In order ni Iza, cheese. Ooh! 99 lang, no? Tsaka fries. Magkano yung fries?
59.
Ayan, guys. So, ito yung SNR. Ayan. Tapos, sa harap lang niya yung skating rink. It's so small, pero cute. Ewan ko kung pwede na kasi parang hindi pa malamig. Parang wala pa nga ice eh.
Eyebrow embroidery.
Ito yung mga price nila per hour. 180, 350. Wow! Anyway, they also have this one, yung Hobing. Ano siya? Korean dessert cafe. Pasok tayo, Sisa. Ito yung mga ano eh, parang furniture. Oh, girl, ang ganda ng painting. Ha? Now here inside Leaders sa Lucky Chinatown branch nila. So, I got my monthly dose of or monthly stock of face mask. So, sobrang exciting kasi meron silang mga bagong face mask. So, this is called the Aquapore Anti-Sebum Mask. And then, meron din silang firming mask. Pakita mo yung gold sa, ayan. Yung mga bago nila. So, yung firming and yung ano, 178 lang. We also have this one, which is the Gold 24 Secret Mask. How much? 240? 248. We also have the new Shining Effect Brightening Pearl Mask. Magkano to? 178. Ito lang, no? And then this one, 178 din. Shining Pearl Lifting Pearl Mask. Sorry, Shining Effect pala. Ayan yung mga bago na ng ano, ng Leaders. So, after this, we're gonna go across, which is Etude House. Yun, malapit na sa Human, second floor. Ayan, we got a few stuff from Etude House. I'll do a haul video on this when I get home. Pero more on skincare mga kinuha ko since hindi ako masyadong maano sa naipasi ako makeup. Pero anyway, yeah. Ano bang bago sa Etude House? I think wala masyado. Pero yan. This is cute. Salon cream color, no? Sa hair coloring. O, diba? Choco Mocha Brown, Cherry Red, Choco Mocha pareho. We have apricot orange. How much dito, ate?
Ano po? 540.
548. Ayan, 548 daw. Haven't tried it, pero feel ko similar siya dun sa normal nila na ano. Now here at Lingnam, buying food for my mom and my dad. We're gonna go over there later. Medyo mahirap na kumuha ng Uber kasi all Uber are currently in use. Anyway, I think we're gonna ride the tricycle na lang. Anyway, mag-haul ako later on. Pag naka-makeup na ako. Girl, my God, puro ko ano, look at this. Ano ba yan? Sobrang dami kong, ano, hindi siya falling hair, baby hair. We're riding a tricycle. Oh my gosh, ang sige. Philippine tricycle. Mami lang ang marunong kasi, tsaka si Jack, dalawa pa lang. 6 sila kasi. Yung iba nakatingin lang kayo ito. Oh, sus! Galing. Good boy. Ganda. Hi, baby girl. Kasi Pinky naglaro dati. And naghahalughog lang ng mga photo. Eto naman. Kami ni Mickey. Cutie, no? Oo. Yorkie yan eh, Yorkie. Cutie pie. Ginamit ko yung scissors na crisscross. Tapos ito naman, ako to nung baby ako. What a cutie. Ito naman si Mickey at nag-autograph pa siya. Saan kayo? Nag-autograph yung doggy namin. Ito yung old library card namin sa St. Jude. Yikes, look how thin I was back then. Ano yan, girl? Nakaka-lurks. Yan, more photo. Ang payat namin dati. With DT, Iza, and me. Ito yung si Papa. Side eye. So, si Isa. O, diba? Yes, nagpakulot si ate girl. Oh, si Pinpin. Hi, Pinpin. Ito yung bago ko pa lang siya nakuha. Sobrang bata pa niya. Gosh, may grad picture, girl. Ano yan, girl? Yung smile. Colors yung smile ko. What happened to me? This is a picture of me with my best friend, Joanne. Joanne, no? Ito yung time na sumali ako ng C80. Colors. Nakaano pa ako. Tawag dyan? Fatigue ba yan? Or something. Acne galore, girl. Here's a photo of me and Lar. Oh my gosh, look at my acne, guys. Dati pa yan, nakakaloka. And sobrang tagal na nito, as in sobrang tagal. Let's see the 2001 ba? Tama, 2001 yata to? Tama ba? Yeah, I think so. Oh, diba? Tagal na kami magkakalala ni Lar. Ito yung outing namin sa Subic ba yun? Subic yata. Mga unang beach photo. Kodak pa yan, girl. Kailangan ipaprint. Nakaka-lurks. Si Tiffany. Guys, ayun yung volleyball team namin. I look so different back then. Ito yung class picture namin. St. Jude. Oh. Another photo of me and Lar. Look at my brows. Kalurks. Walang-wala sa harap. Sa dulo madami. Ano ba yan? Nakakaloka. More photos. Ang taba-taba ni Mickey yun. Si Pinpin. Pero never sila nagkaroon ng anak kasi ayaw ni Pinpin. Tomboy ito si Pinpin. So, ayan. More class photos. Diba? So far, alam ko pa rin lahat ng name nila. So, bongga. This was the first time pumunta kami ng Enchanted Kingdom. Rio Grande Rapids. So, tignan mo yung ngipin ko. Hindi pa ako nagbe-brace niyan. Tsaka may bangs pa ako. Nakaka-lurks. Tuwang-tuwa ako dyan kasi nga sa'yo ng Rio Grande Rapids. Prom picture. What the F? And my gown was from Divisoria. Look at that. This is my Harry na ayaw lumabas. Can you say hi? Ari. And this is my kuya. Hi, kuya. Guwapo. Oh, anong inaakit mo sa table? Ba't ka nakaakit sa table? Chubby. Ito yung pinaka-cute na baby niya. Ito na siya ngayon. Laki-laki na. Hi, Abby. Abilita. Kung kati ng likod. Parang uulan. Now riding Uber, guys. At sobrang lakas ng ulan. As in, girl. Grabe. So before ending the vlog, I just wanted to share with you guys one big realization na nakuha ko today. Sobrang na-realize ko talaga to, na we live in a dog-eat-dog world. Sa industry na to, sa anumang industry, parang pareho lang naman. It's a dog-eat-dog world talaga. So parang, ewan ko, naisip ko lang na hindi talaga lahat ng tao pwede mong pagkatiwalaan. And, yun. Work hard and be kind, girl, kalurks. Pero, yun lang naman ang aking realization. So, it's really difficult to trust people. Alam mo yun? Kasi, sometimes kasi the people you share the most with, sila pa yung may something. If you know what I mean. So, may something talaga. So, anyway, that's it for today's vlog. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!